Here are 3 reasons why you should attend the AdviseAI conference with me this October. In case you haven't already heard, AdviseAI is the only wealth management event 100% focused on AI and its uses. Taking place in the magical Las Vegas, Nevada at the Encore at Wynn, this 2-day event includes hundreds of financial services leaders and change makers, including tech companies and wealth management firms. So why attend? First, AdviseAI attendees are in for a real content treat with tracks that just make sense, like AI and data, AI and marketing, AI and investing, and more. You'll be hearing from advisors themselves on how they use AI in their businesses. You'll even hear from Microsoft's Chief Data Officer and our industry's very own Michael Kitces. Second, you'll not only hear from your peers on stage, but you can directly book one-on-one meetings with other conference attendees. You won't just hope to connect with that one person or specific group of people. Now you can actually book it ahead of time and make sure it happens. And finally, from just one stage, you'll get an 8-minute demo of different leading AI tools we think you should know about. The AI revolution isn't slowing down, but you still have time to get in front. Visit the link below to save your spot for this year's Can't Miss AI event. I'll see you in Vegas.